This lesson is about the division of whole numbers. Division is the operation that is opposite to multiplication. So when we are dividing numbers, we are expecting to get a number that is smaller or less. So when we are dividing two whole numbers with each other, the bigger number that we are using is called the dividend. The smaller number that we are dividing by is called the divisor. And the result of this division is called the quotient. So if you are asked to find the quotient of something, it means that you should divide the two numbers. You've got a rule over here. The easiest form of division is dividing by 10, 100, 1000, or numbers that are having many zeros. Because all you need to do is cancel the zeros. So 34,000 divided by 10, very easy. All you need to do is cancel a zero here, and your answer is what you're left with, which is 3,400. Similarly, 500 divided by 100, you cancel the zeros that you have with each other. Each zero can cancel only one zero. So here we've got two zeros, they cancel two zeros. 5 divided by 1 is 5. 10 divided by 10, they cancel, and 1 divided by 1 is 1. Here we've got three zeros, so we can cancel three zeros, and our answer is 51. Sometimes when we are dividing by large numbers, we need to carry out a process called long division. And this is what we will do here. When you are doing long division, you are trying to find a number that you will write over here that you can multiply with the thing that you are dividing by, which is a number over here, in order to get a number that is closest to the number that you are starting with. In this example, we're starting with 25. What multiplied by 6 can get us almost 25? And the answer to that is 4, because 4 times 6 is 24. Once we have that, we subtract these two numbers. 25 minus 24 is 1. And you bring the second digit down. What multiplied by 6 is almost 10? And the answer to that is 1, because 1 times 6 is 6. And we subtract, and 10 minus 6 is 4. Again, over here, we bring that digit down, 42. What multiplied by 6 is almost 42? Well, the answer to that is 7, because 7 times 6 is exactly 42. And this is very important here, because we have no remainder. The remainder is 0 in this case. Now here we have another example. We start with the first two digits. What multiplied by 7 is almost 18? And the answer to that is 2, because 2 times 7 is 14. We subtract. 18 minus 14 is 4. We bring the second digit down, 45. What multiplied by 7 is almost 45? Well, the answer is 6, because 6 times 7 is 42. And then we subtract. 45 minus 42, that is 3. We bring the final digit down, and that is 1. What multiplied by 7 is almost 31? The answer is 4, because 4 times 7 is 28. And we subtract, and the answer is 3. Now we don't have any more numbers here to bring down, but we have to stop. And our answer is 264, remainder 3. So you stop your long division under two conditions. Either you reach a remainder of 0 over here after you've used all of your numbers, or you can have a remainder that is greater than 0, but you have also used all of your numbers. Let's have an example problem-solving question here. Tara can write a story at the rate of 8 words in 1 minute. How long will it take Tara to write a story of 648 words? So in 1 minute, Tara can write 8 words. How many words can she, well, we know she's going to write 648 words, but they're asking how long this will take. So all you need to do is 648 divided by 8 in order to find the amount of time it would take her. What times 8 is almost 64? Well, the answer is 8, because 8 times 8 is exactly 64. And we subtract them, and the answer is 0, and we bring the other 8 down. What times 8 is almost 8? Well, the answer is 1, because 1 times 8 is exactly 8, and we've got a remainder of 0. So the answer is, it takes Tara 81 minutes to write 648 words.